So coming back to, we uploaded the data and it's there and it's saying it, shipment data set doesn't look very good because we have column numbers there. So let's take a look at what is going on there. Okay. So here we just need to go into transform data. So transform data is where some automations for how to clean the data and make it ready for you to use. So we have the two tables here, and if you go to shipment table, you can see that the first three rows of this data set are blank, right? And that kind of occurs often when sometimes there's a title there, here, and this mismatch was downloaded directly from their ERP system. So here, it's called a Power Query. Here you have a lot of different things to do to clean the data. We're going to use some of them, right? We're going to reduce the rows. So we're going to remove the top rows here. You can do other stuff. We're going to remove the top rows and the three top rows. So it cleaned the three top ones, right? So it started on car number, quantity, right? And also we need to tell them to use the first row as a header. So here is recording all the different steps that we're doing. So next time we upload the data, would you refresh this data set, it will do it automatically for you. For this data set, that's the only thing we need to do. Again, there is a bunch of different things and cool things that you can do. Replace values, for example, is very used if something is a different name on the system or something like that, and then you need to click close and apply, and now it apply the changes for all our data set. And we'll see that now our shipments now have good names of all the columns are all right. Okay, so that's one good thing. You also need to take a look at the data set here on the table view, and it's good to find out if all our data set is on the right format. So as you can see here, you click on the data set. Oh, sorry, that's Mimi, my cat, that wants to take a look at what we're doing. You can click here and it will tell you what the data is. So sometimes you need to correct this because it's not doing the right thing. So car number is a text, that's okay. Quantity is a whole number and it's okay. Wilmington is a text. Zip code, it's understanding that's a whole number, right? And it's not a whole number, that's a zip code. So you need to go here into data category and say it's a postal code. So you're going to tell some of the things are automatically done, some of them are not, right? It's on the italic format is when it's a number, right? So you need to click here as well. Customer is, postal code. So we're changing that. Oh, yeah, it's working. Sorry. Let it work, right? And you have dates here, usually to understand arrival dates and customer release dates are all dates and time. So it's good for this one, which is the shipment. Let me take a look at capacity, see if that is also a number with decimals, right? So that's all good. We just needed to fix those two zip codes. So when you're using the zip codes, it's going to be all right. Okay, the last thing on this, taking a look at data before we start creating the cool visuals and stuff that we can do, is to make sure that there is a link between the right columns into this two data set. So if you take a look at this data set, this one has car number, fleet, capacity, and what is the limiting factor, how that car limited for. And the other one have more information, but one of them is car number. So car number is the way to link these two tables together so we can use the data from shipments and the data from capacity together, right? So that's what he's doing here. He's been done automatically, but sometimes it doesn't. So let's delete that. Oh, it's supposed to be deleted. And just click yes. And let's make it manual, right? So sometimes it doesn't do that. So you have to click here, and it'll initiate this flag here. Is saying that there is one capacity to many shipments, and that's what you wanted to be or start with shipment, many shipments and to one capacity, because the capacity is the list of the cars and their capacities and the car number, and then the shipments, you can have many times a car appearing there if they were shipping many times the same car. Okay, so that's it for some of the cleaning, adjusting, and explaining the visuals. Now we got to go into creating those visuals. Okay.